I'm back. Oh my goodness. Okay, so let me go back to iPad view. All right, I'm back. Okay. I'm so tired of all of those technical issues, honestly. What time is it, by the way? Oh, okay. All right, so yeah. So, okay. So if I run this, at the end of my function, what do you mean? So, okay, so I need a line here. Oh, okay, all right, okay. Do I close one or do I, is that correct? Okay, all right. That's, yeah. It's not doing anything. Okay, so hold on. Let me see. Do I have to do a move toggle then come back to call it? No, that's not correct. Sorry about that. Yeah, no, it's stupid. Okay. No, it's okay. Oh, here. That's what you're saying. Here? Okay. Finally, it's doing something. Okay, so we have a move forward that's missing here. So hold on, something is off here. Let me run this code again by, like, yeah. Okay, we are missing one move forward, that's why. Yeah, there was one that we had to okay. Yeah. No, it's fun when you don't have all of those technical issues. No, it's great. I mean, you guys, I'm pretty sure you get good go through it very quickly. Me, I'm always, I always have to process everything. And of course, my iPad is slow. And my pizza is cold. There you go. Okay, so we have to do something. Which drink? Which drink are you talking about? This one? It's Perrier. It's Perrier. I don't drink soda, so what I do sometimes, I do Perrier with lemon, or when I go to France to visit my family and I come back, I always bring with me, I'll show you. Some syrup. And what I do, I just mix the two. It's not? Why? Well, no wonder why French people have bad teeth. They drink too much sparkling water. Wow, I need to click on that. I need to actually check it out. Let's see. I know. Yeah, I have to check that. I saved it, so. All right, so let's go back to that. So what did it do? So, okay, so remember last time we wanted him to repeat those steps? I think we need to add another, remember, like Savro box, that's how you call it. Or do I have to add another move toggle then come back? Yeah, I think that's what it is. Let's run it again and see what it does. Come on, bites. There you go. Okay. So now what we're gonna do is, are we going to make him turn left or right, depending on, whatever we choose at this point? Is that gonna go under function, or is that gonna go under move toggle then come back? It has to be under function, right? No. Yeah. Right? Oh, you're right. That's correct. There's two patterns. Yeah, yeah, we have to recode the second pattern. Right, okay. All right. So, where should I um, add my other function? Should I add it under the first function? Or how do you guys, what do you suggest? The pivot code? Well, no, you're not actually. No, you are helping because quite frankly, at this, you're right. When you said there's two patterns, you didn't say what it was. I figured it out by, exactly like, see, like that's the first, the first pattern that's the one that we just resolved, you know? And then the second pattern, well, I'm basically, um, that is the second pattern right there. So it's true, it's two different patterns because the length is different. So what I'm basically trying to understand here is I need to add the other function. Yeah, no, you're good. Don't worry, Nutcats. You're good. You're good. Um, what I'm trying to figure out here is no, I got that. I got that. However, I really don't know where to add the second function. Like, do I have to rename that function because the steps are different? There's only, no, the steps are the same actually. What am I need to, the move forward and the toggle switch is the pattern, is, you know, it has to be added, it has to be repeated, if that makes sense. I don't know if you guys understood what I was trying to say too. Okay, so I do it before that curly thing. That's what you're saying? Actually, that was my question. Oh, after the curly thing. Okay, that's fine. All right, great. Okay, so I'm going to basically recall a function here. Okay, here. Then I'm going to call it again, move toggle. Yeah, okay. All right, we'll do that. Okay. Then here we're gonna have to do a move forward, then oh, okay, all right, so we can't. So how do you want to call it? We're gonna call it what? I was gonna say nutcats, but well, it's kind of doing the same thing though. Oh, no worries. It's kind of doing the same function. We can call it, we can say move toggle and come back. It doesn't have to be move toggle then come back. Well, it has to come back. It has to go and, turn on the switches. and then come back and do the same thing on the other side. Like we're trying to find a name for the second function because we can name the function twice. I mean, we can name the same thing, the function twice. So we're trying to name that function. Um, okay, you got me completely confused now. Well, he's doing the same thing. It's just that the lengths are different. He needs to go and activate toggle short switch. That's exactly what I was gonna say. I mean, I was not gonna say toggle short or toggle long, but I was gonna say something like toggle switch one, etc. I mean, I don't know if you can use numbers. So how should we call it? Like toggle short or toggle long? What's the... Can we like name a function? Oh yeah, sorry. Yeah, exactly. But then can you call a function different twice? Or can you call toggle short and long switch? Or toggle short then long switch? Can we do that? Is that a possibility? Okay, let's try that then. Okay. Right? I was saying, can we basically call that function toggle short and long switch or toggle short then long switch? Since there are two switches and yes, the length is different. Do you understand? Oh, okay. So I see what you're saying. Oh, okay. So he's gonna go to the short ones, come back, and then repeat again. Oh, okay. So, mm, yeah. You know what? Okay, let's figure out the steps first, and then let's try it and see what it does. And then, if it doesn't work, then we're just gonna rename it something else. How about that? Let's just do that. So he's gonna do like a move forward, then he's gonna do a um, so purple switch. Let's run that first. I need to see. Oh, shoot, I forgot. I should have made him turn right. I completely forgot about that. Yeah. What do you mean? Well, we need the switches, right? So right now I'm just basically running the code to see what he's gonna do with that name and see, you know, if we can, if it's gonna work or not. Okay, so why, oh, should I do like move toggle, then come back probably? That's probably why he didn't. Why? So by calling your function, you have to um, oh no, he's repeating. Okay. So let me see, I'm just trying to figure out. So do I have to redo another? So yeah, I get that. So do I have to recreate another curly and then retype move toggle then? Oh yes, you're right. You're right. Okay, I got it now. Then I have to basically. Okay. Okay. That thing. Okay. So then I have to call it toggle, right? So that I need to go. No, that's not correct. So that. Do I need to call it toggle short and long switch to call it? Right? Is that correct? Right? Why is it not? Something is. Yeah, but I think I did something wrong here. Oh, I don't need that at all? Oh, okay. Oh, can I add it here then? Right? No, not liking that thing. There you go. Okay, so he's doing it. Okay, so now we're gonna make him move forward again. Yeah. We're gonna make him move forward and move forward. And then we're gonna make him do a toggle switch. Right? I think after this one, I'm just gonna like call it a night. Almost 1 o'clock, a Saturday night. There you go. Then I want him to come back. So then I have to call that first function, which is move toggle, then come back, right? Right? Well, why would he do that? Don't you have to do a move toggle then come back? No, because that's the first function. No, you're right. To go find the switch, you're right. But then I want him to go back. So do I have to make him turn again? Turn around and, you know, like, okay. All right, so we have to make him do that. Okay, so I need to make him turn. Okay, I'm gonna make him turn left. Turn left. And then move forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me run this one. I think I have. That's long though. Yeah. Do I have a turnaround? I don't have the turnaround function. No, I don't. All right, that's right, that's right. You're right. We can make one. Okay, so I needed another move forward. That's what I was not sure about. Okay. So now that he has one move forward and he's definitely in the middle, we want him to do the same thing. Right. So how would you create a turnaround Mopinator, how are you doing? Thanks for joining. So, you know, earlier when I was, oh yeah? What did you do? Did you work? My pizza is cold. It's been a long evening too. Oh, okay. So, yeah, just work. But you basically, okay, so not cats. Let me just go back here. So I'm gonna delete here and I'm gonna delete the turn left here. And like you said, I'm gonna write, oh, I need to do a function turnaround. That's what you're saying? Okay. Okay, I see. Oh, yeah, I think it's good practice. You're right. So I can do that, and then above in the function. So do I have to do it next to toggle short and long switch? It's okay. It's not. When you said the function has to be above it, like it has to be like, so, okay. So I have to basically add, okay, let me, if I'm wrong, that's fine. Um, okay, so above, like, I'm gonna like, here, that's what you're saying? Like, I have to add function. And then no, okay, not there. All right. Okay. We're not gonna do it here. Okay. So we're gonna do it here, right? No. All right. So above everything. All right. But should I keep the turnaround where there's that red dot anyway? Okay. I keep the red. Okay. So I'm going to finish writing this thing. All right. Okay, we're gonna do that. Then I need to get it over here, right? At the very top, right? Okay, so I'm gonna do it after. Okay, enter a few times. There you go. There you go. And then I'll do it here, right? That's where I should define. Okay, all right. Okay, cool. All right, we have this. Then we have to call it turn around, right? And then on the function body, right? Is that correct so far? Okay. Here, we're gonna do this curly thing and call. Okay, so how did I have it capital T, does that matter? Oh, it did the curlies for me. That's great. Okay, and now I just have basically to do like a turn left, right? And then turn left, right? Right? No, turn failed. That was not good. Okay. And then I have to, yeah, that's fine. This one is gonna go. Right? That's what I was saying. Yeah, do we have to call? Okay, so it matters. All right. Okay. Okay. Um, okay. Probably what it was. Okay, so that was a good exercise. All right, so let's just go through the code. Yay! I really, really love coding. I do. I have so much fun with it. There you go. All right. So we did the turnaround. Now we need to figure out the next piece. Should I make him toggle short and long switch again? Like repeat the same process, just like by adding it here? Almost. We have one move forward. Mopinator! Yeah. I'm gonna be so good at it that you guys, like, I'm gonna make a game on iPhone and you're gonna be using my game, right? You get the free iPhone, you get the free app, and you get the free pizza. How about that? That's true. In United States, everybody has iPhones. You do? That's not good. This one is not good. What happened here? The bite is going crazy. The bite just lost it. Oh, you have a Mac? Yeah. Okay, so... Oh, that's not good. Okay, so that's not good here. Alright, so let me go back through the... Why? Do you think we should make him turn left? Hi, Kayon. Hey, thank you for following. Montreal Christie? Chrisley. Montreal Christie. Chrisley. Sorry. How are you doing? Hey, ça va? Mon ami de Montréal? Vous allez bien? Okay, so the turn right is what Redog said. Okay. But then what? Like, you make him turn left instead? Ça va? Quel temps il fait à Montréal? You kind of need to make him turn left. Oh, so hold on. he's gonna have to turn at some point. Oh, okay. So what you're saying is that the turn right goes between move toggle, then come back, and then, okay. So I have to add it here, right? That's what you're saying. Okay, all right. Okay, so let's run this. Oui, mon ami canadien. It makes sense, yeah. And I will say that, I think I believe I'm getting confused because I get the part where, okay, I get the function part. I completely got it. But then I think the part where you call it, I mean, I think that's where I have issues a little bit. I'm still a little bit confused about it, if that makes sense. I understand when you like write a code, you wrote it, right? And then you have to call it. I get that, but it's still in somehow a little bit confusing. And my laptop, my iPad is still taking. Oh, finally. Okay. So, right. So there's three major steps. First step has two parts. Okay. So what will be your first steps is to make him go from, okay? When you're back at the center, okay. That's when you turn left or right, okay. I see. All right, so now that he's here, now we need to basically do the last step. So we kind of want him to repeat. It does make sense. It completely does make sense. But for this last piece, actually, we want him to repeat the code, the steps. So we're gonna have to add another toggle short and long switch to call it, right? Because we already have the function. Is that correct? Is that how the way it should be? Right? Because we already have it there. So I'm just gonna call it again. What's going on here again? That was, okay, there you go. And I'm gonna just like, all right, okay. And we're gonna run the code. Right. So you basically add few things on the fly. That's what you're saying, right? There you go. He's doing it. There you go. We got it. I'm glad that we wrote that turnaround because you're right. I think it helps a lot. If we don't have it available, we should make it. You're right. That's true. Are you a gamer, Napcats? That's why you're on Twitch? It's called dry. Oh. That's right. Are you not a gamer? No, I'm not either. All right, well, thank you very much. I appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you for helping me. I will be tuning again tomorrow. No, you're not a loser. Oh, no. No, you're not. Thank you so much for helping me today. Really, I appreciate it. You guys are wonderful. Trust me. Don't say that. I'm not a gamer either. But because I need to learn to code, so I was like, Twitch, okay, well, I'm just going to be on Twitch. Because YouTube is kind of, you know, it's not the same. All right, Napcats, well, I'm going to let you go. Thank you so much for tuning in with me. I'm going to be on again tomorrow at 10. So yes, I'm just going to do another chapter until, I grasp it completely. And then, I would probably try to make something or do something. And I will do it on Twitch again. And then I'm going to move forward with Python. And hopefully, I will probably be a little bit better because, I'm getting used to all of that now. So yeah. So thank you. All right, thank you very much, everybody. All of the people that came in to say hi, even the guy with the big D. Gruffaldo, you were here. Were you in jail? Have a good night, Tapcats. Redog. I'm in DC actually. You just got back from the aquarium? Yeah, Napcat stayed with me and Redog the entire time. They helped. No, why? Don't feel bad. Don't feel bad. I'm gonna try to stream earlier tomorrow. Oh no, you guys are in California, right? So how was your day? Yes, you. I was doing the social eating. Napcat, didn't I say that I was going to order the pizza? I ordered it yesterday, but you didn't give me any address, so it came here. I think I had like 2 or 3. But then I ate pasta, and it's here. It's actually good. I dressed my mouth. How was the aquarium? I thought you were still in jail. I was like, he's not around. Oh, that's right. That's right. Yeah. What's the weather in California? Here it was pouring all day. Oh, nice. Yeah, it was better than here. Here it was like 55. Yeah. So today was not so bad. The beginning when I started streaming, like things were starting to crash a little bit, but then it was not too bad. Then my iPad started uh, to crash as well. That pizza is good. I didn't even finish it. I was craving pasta, so I ate the pasta. Actually, the pasta from Domino's is very good. That was my first time eating it, and actually, it was actually very good. So that's probably why I didn't finish that. Probably gonna get that pizza for breakfast tomorrow morning. Yes, free dog. Domino's. Domino's in DC is good. You quite frankly try it. It's actually very good. Me neither. That's the first time. It was actually very good. And you can trust a European person. I've been to Italy many, many times. I know what pasta should taste. And it's not bad at all. It was actually good. It's good, right? I know. You never tried their pasta? Oh, I think I have a delay on my... No, you know what? You never know. If they have somebody who's Italian and like knows how to make pasta. I mean, you never know. Actually, it was good. Hey, even in France, you can have very good pasta. It's actually good. All right. Yeah, we'll probably be around like at 10 tomorrow, and I will basically go on with Swift. Oh yeah. Yeah, Nubcats was wonderful. He was actually very helpful. I mean, oh my God, you have no idea how guys, like I appreciate you really, like Redog, Curfaldo, Nubcats, like all of you, like when you come in, like I don't know you personally, and I wish, because I will give you a big hug just to thank you very much for helping me. I really, really appreciate it. It helps to talk to people and you like try to figure out things. Well done, Nap. What do you mean? Oh yeah, you guys are wonderful, wonderful. I'm going to follow you back. I think, Ruffaldo, I did follow you back. Grey Dog, I'm following you back. Nutcat, I am going in a second going to follow you back. So I'm going to follow you back, guys. That's for sure. I was so overwhelmed, you know, like today I wanted to make sure that I had everything ready and set up on my Twitch account. And I created a Facebook account as well. And I created a YouTube account. So yesterday I was just basically like transferring my videos from, you know, Twitch to YouTube, Facebook. I think I went to bed at 8 o'clock in the morning this morning. I didn't sleep last night at all. Hey, Tap Code. Fat Man Down is no more. No, he's not. Fat Man Down, he's funny. Because my page was not, you know, I started Twitch last week. You know, I was just like, you know, we had the meeting at work and that was it. I'm like, okay, you know, I need to go prepare myself, you know, like to try to go to boot camp. I know, and you know, like I'm like, okay, so I have to set up my Twitch account. You know, I was basically setting up a lot of pages and, you know, like my videos. Top code. So yeah, so that's the reason why, you know, like I went to bed at 8 o'clock. No, and I know, trust me, like I was tired the whole day today. So, but I got it done, and you know, I was like hoping that we can have some, you know, like code going today, like going through some chapters, and yeah, so we did it today. That was great. And I was like, you know, like thinking about your girlfriend. I was like, oh, he's not part of the party today. He's in jail. No jail today. Good. Yeah, it's better. Oh yeah, I know. Nobody wants to go to jail here in the US. Oh my God. Like, you know, when I came, like, I have a short story. When I said to my friend that I was moving to the States, they were like, are you crazy? Top code. He's like, are you crazy? Like, you know, like you pass, you know, like a green light and they put you to jail for life. Like, and it's true. I mean, as sad as it is, you know, like in France, you kill somebody, you go to jail for probably 6 years, and that's pretty much it, depending really on why you killed that person. But, you know, here is no joke. I mean, it's no joke to be in jail in the US anyway. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, definitely. Now, 6 years is nothing. I mean, you know, I've heard like, I've heard because, you know, I read the news. I used to read the news in France, the newspaper, sorry. So, you know, like some people, sometimes they get 3 years, sometimes, you know, 6, 9, but you don't stay in jail forever. I mean, like, I think maximum you can do is probably 10 years. And then you're pretty much out. And then if you're a serial killer, maybe more. But yeah. Trust me, and you can trust me on that. I did law, so I worked at the police station. I was a prosecutor, so Yeah. Oh, the jail protesters on hunger strikes. Well, that's true. I know. I know. Even in France, we used to make fun of that too. Like, but then basically what they're trying to say is okay, so, I mean, let's be honest, nowadays people are living longer. That's just the reality of it. So, like some people, I mean, I never heard anybody living until 120, quite frankly, that's true. But, like what they think it's fair for them is to, okay, well, if you kill two people, then I don't know, they probably do like a 40-40, which gives you 80 for every head you killed. Or, like depending on, like a 90, depending on the crime. But, and that's how they basically see it as being fair when they prosecute, I cannot pronunciate that word, but when they want to throw you in jail, basically. So, the music, the music. Oh my goodness. You guys need to hear music. You don't want to hear my raw voice with my accent. It's like, please give us music. There you go. That could. Yeah, I know. Oh yeah, yeah. Especially that music, that bite music. I mean, the bite is just funny. It's like a minion. Oh, no, he sent me a link. I need to take a look at the link. Can you hear the music? You guys cannot hear the music. It's back. It's back, Napcats. Yeah, this iPad is giving me a headache. Yesterday was the laptop, tonight is the iPad. I mean, I have no luck. So, Napcats, you're saying that sparkling water is bad for your teeth? Why? Okay. You want a slice? Say ah. Say ah. There you go. I'll email it to you. Sounds good. It's cold. But you know, I've heard of that about acidic. You know, like I've heard that it was bad for your teeth. I'm so sorry. You know, I did social eating mixed with, coding because I didn't have my dinner yet. Sorry, I'm gonna stop eating. I'm full anyway. Pizza code and music and you guys with me. That's very nice. You know, that's after, I don't know for you, Croffeldo, you said that you were from Germany, right? This would be the perfect date. I know. Croffeldo, be careful, you're gonna go to jail again for pizza. Yeah, it's Domino's. It was good pasta. So, Croffeldo, you from Germany, you said, right? So, are you... Oh, really? I did actually yesterday. Why shame on me, Top Code? Why? Because I eat Domino's? Well, I didn't have time today. So, you from Southern California. You didn't tell me you were from Germany? That wasn't you? Yeah, I will tweak it again. Oh, for some reason I thought you were the one from Germany. That was definitely not you, Napcat. So what is it then? If it's not pizza? Yeah, Napcat's you in Orlando. Yeah, I remember that. Oh! Oh, so okay, so that's why I got confused. I thought you were German. And yes, you did say that you were in Düsseldorf. I remember because I know Düsseldorf. I think Domino's Pizza makes great pizza. Quite frankly, I think so. Very much so. The pizza that I don't like is Papa John. I really, really don't like their pizza. To me, Papa John is good when you have, like, when you're basically drunk and you need to eat something. No. No, me neither. Well, I'm gonna be. I'm not, a big eater, quite frankly. I mean, usually when I don't eat that much pizza, not that much. But tonight, like I said, I went to bed at 8 o'clock in the morning, and then I woke up. I think it was 2:30 in the afternoon, and then I had some errands to do. So, and I came home, and I told you guys I would be like streaming at 10 o'clock. So I wanted to make sure that I was going to meet my time. That's cold. The owner is a pretty bad person. Okay, so I was watching, I don't know if you guys are familiar with mukbangs on YouTube. And I was watching actually this guy who actually did a video about, he basically bought 4 or 5 different pizza and he was just comparing all of them. So, and he said that a Pizza Hut pizza are the dough is sweet. I don't eat Pizza Hut either. So I really don't know. Is that true? Stop code. Is stop code Fat Man down? Stop code, if you're not following me, you should go back, follow me, push that button and come back. I definitely want you. Hey Anonymous, how are you doing? Welcome. Oh, I see. So what's your favorite food? What is it that you guys like to eat? Anonymous, I was coding. I'm learning Swift, and those very nice gentlemen helped me. Hi, Ryan Merkel. How are you doing? Oh, you like tofu? Tofu is good. You like pizza, Grafado? Oh, it's a Perrier. And then what I said earlier to Napcats while we were coding, I look like a MILF? No. You like that I look like a MILF? That's funny. Well, it's late now, so you're having all of those drunks who don't really know what to do. Can I balance the can on my head? Oh my god. Okay, so those guys needs to be banned. Yeah, I know. I probably need to get Nightbot setting back again. Thank you. Are you sure you're gonna behave? If I'm wearing shoes, I don't know. Troll hours. They don't bug me. I mean, I have a thick skin, so oh my oh I had a guy yesterday who sent me a message and asked me to go on Skype and talk to him, and while I would talk to him, I would basically like put on clothes and he would pay me. I think it was between 40 to $2,500. And I was like, what? And then my nephew told me, hey, there's like lunatics on Twitch. You need to be careful. And I guess it's true. They're in right now. So, Crofaldo, you said that you like pizza, right? You know, those trolls are like cats. You start feeding them, they're never gonna go away. Yeah, I mean, I was shocked. Like, I was like, no, I'm not interested. I'm here to learn how to code. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, it's over. Yeah. Yeah, yeah, trust me. I will retweak what I need to tweak. You like veggie pizza? So, are you a vegetarian? Because you like tofu, you like vegetables, you don't eat meat? Thanks for the following. You must really like me. I still not gonna rape you. Oh, so you don't eat meat. Okay, well, I figured when you said you like tofu and you said you like veggie pizza. So let me ask you, like, how is it to have a, because at some point I was kind of thinking of, going probably vegetarian because I'm not a big, like meat eater either. Ryan Merkel, that wasn't you? Oh, that was anonymous. That's right. The music, the music. I was thinking about it at some point, quite frankly, because I was like, like, I'm just gonna put back the music. Yeah, and you know what? I tried them already, and actually, it's very good. don't know. When you're not a big meat eater, I don't think, like it's, yeah, I don't think it's a big, a big issue. I don't need, like if I don't eat, I mean, first of all, I don't eat that much beef. Beef. For me, beef is like probably once every, I would say probably 2 or 3 weeks. You're a steak person? Garden and Morningstar? Oh, okay. I've heard of Morningstar. Yeah, I did. But so you've been vegetarian for 10 years. So you don't miss it? Like you don't have any like, health issues or like I mean health issues, not health issues, but like deficiencies or like okay. Yeah, yeah. Me, I know when I eat red meat, I break out. Like I have acne and I break out. Oh, I'm pretty sure. But a lot of people who are vegetarian are also saying that, they feel way better, way, way better about themselves. Who is Nate Gaines? I'll check it out. Yeah. And how old are you again? Remind me. Oh, really? You're 22, Ryan Merkel? Well, I was never fat. I think my weight was always since I was young, between 93 and 95 pounds. And I do like workout. I do, I mean, I walk a lot and I do, I mean, I don't like to call them marathon because they are not really marathon, but I do a lot of, yeah, 5K, 10Ks. I did actually a 5K in South Korea at the DMZ last year in August. It was great. Right. Gainesville. Okay, you know what? I'm going to check it out now. How about that? Let's see. Net gains. Well, his account is private. There's nobody. So how is it worth it if I can see it? That was the wrong one? So, what's the real one then? Nate underscore Gates. Yeah, there's nobody else. I mean, there's other people, obviously. Are you talking about him? Is that him? Yeah, he's doing fitness stuff. That's not. Well, you said he's into fitness. I mean, there you go. I found one. Is that you? Try refreshing. I did. I mean, I look now. Okay, so you deblocked it yourself. Okay. Uh, yeah, I mean, I'm probably like was missing an S, but okay. No caps? For a second time. Is that you? Ryan Merkel? I can't find him. Oh, it's you and your brother. Oh, I see. So, is that you? So you're into fitness, huh? And you're 22? If I can show it again, sure. So Can you see it? So, is that you or your brother? Oh, that's you. Okay. So you are into fitness. No problem. Oh, I can follow. Sure. Sure. So, and that's like a passion of yours, like, okay, so yeah, tomorrow I will be, well, I will do more coding because that's the priority really. It's just like tonight I had this late dinner and I didn't have time to go out and eat dinner when I needed to stream at 10. So yeah, probably just gonna do coding straight. Yeah. Yep. All right. Well, tomorrow 10 o'clock tomorrow, guys. And if you want to join, please feel free to come in. Redog, can I count on you? Nutcats, Crefeld Dough. Thank you, Redog. Thank you. All right. Well, you guys have a good evening. Thank you very much for everything. And I will talk to you tomorrow then. All right? Thank you so much. Thank you. Yeah, Napcats, Crefeld Dough. Yeah, definitely. Tomorrow 10. You too, guys. Thank you. Bye-bye. No, this time no. That's why I'm cutting it short because I need to go to bed too. Yeah. All right. Bye-bye, guys.